Hello everyone, Kanika here from Handmade by Kanika, and today I'm at Prika's blog and sharing a video tutorial on the envelope, on the baby girl theme envelope. Here you can see how the envelope looks like. So let's start with the tutorial. First of all, I am sharing the material used. This is the flower which I made using the Prika's floral paper. This is a 265 GSM paper and I loved using this paper. So if you are a paper crafter, then you must try it out. Next, I use this IMX Rainbow Sparks. This is the glitter from Expressions Craft. Next, I use the Distress Oxide in the color Fossilized Amber, Picked Raspberry, and I use the Archival ink in the shade Cactus Flower. Next, I use the script stem from my stash, and also I use some of the embellishments and mulberry flowers from my stash. So to start off here, I am just covering the base of my envelope with the Distress Oxide Fossilized Amber, and the way I'm applying, I'm just giving a textured look to my base. Here you can see I'm just covering full base with the Distress Oxide, and you can see the beautiful texture it has. So now I am just going to use my stamp. This is the script stamp, and using my archival ink, I'm just going to give my base some random texture by just adding the stamps like this. Like randomly I'm applying the stamp to give a very nice look. You can see I'm done stamping, and this is how the base looks now. Now I'm going to use the embellishments from my stash. So this is the flower which I made using the Prika's floral paper. This is the handmade flower. So if you are a flower maker, I would recommend you to at least try the flower paper once, as I loved using this paper. Next, I have this embellishments. This is the frame which I have from my stash, and I'll just add the frame, and onto that I'll just add my flower like this. So before that, I'm just using my Distress Oxide and giving a colored look to my frame like this. I'm going to use this duck, and this is the duck which I have fussy cut from the motif sheet of Little Miracle, and I'll place the duck here. And here I have one pink colored mulberry rose, so I'll just adhere my rose as well onto the right hand side corner, and then I'll add this embellishment from my stash. And then I have these little buttons, the star shaped buttons, and I have 2 leaves that I'll add. So I'll just start sticking. So here I'm using my hot glue to adhere the frame, and then onto this I'll just add this flower. Next, I'll add this flower and the leaves on the corner of. So again, I'm using my hot glue to adhere. My duck to look a little 3D, so I'm just applying the hot glue in the form of dots, so that when I stick, it gives a little 3D look like this. And again, I'm just going to adhere the remaining embellishments using my hot glue only. I'm going to add the pink, white and yellow color star buttons randomly onto my envelope, as these buttons give a very nice touch to the my envelope. And here you can see I have added another yellow flower. Almost done embellishing, so it's time to add some glitter. So I'm using my liquid adhesive and randomly applying it here and there, and then I'll just sprinkle the IM Mix rainbow sparks. This is a very good glitter which I have been using, and I just love this glitter as it has some chunks as well as some microfine glitter. If you like a less amount of glitter, then you just apply less adhesive, but you like more glitter on your projects like me, then you can add on more glitter. Now I'm just sprinkling the glitter onto my project, so the areas which are covered with the adhesives, the glitter will just stick on there, and the else, like the place where there is no glitter, at that area it will just come off like when I'll dab the excess glitter out. Just to blend the pink flower with our envelope, I'm just dabbing off with some fossilized amber ink onto my rose like this, and you can see how beautifully the project has come out to be. And I'll just dab off the extra glitter from these, and this is the final look of the project. I hope you all enjoyed this video, so if you did, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I noticed that I had to add one more star button of the yellow color to just get the things blended more, so I am doing this, and that's it. We are completed with our project, so I hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Happy crafting.